What's up, guys? So today we are working on that guy. That's 2 days of work right there. We started on Monday and today is Wednesday. We are coming up this right here, and my goal for today is wrap around. But today I got a couple tips for when you do veneer stone and don't know what rules to follow. This is what I'm doing, and I hope it helps. The first one is you need a torpedo level and maybe also a 2 or 3 foot. When you have longer runs, you can use the bigger one, but on every stone that you set, you can use this guy and make sure all these pieces are level. The next thing you need is a wet saw, or you can also do it with the grinder, but it's going to be a lot harder and it's going to be tons of dust going in your lungs. So a wet saw is going to make your life way easier. The next thing is have a variety of wedges, different sizes. We have these 1/4 inch, 3/8, and these that are 1/2 inch on the thicker side, or they're about 3/8 on the shorter side. Stones are not perfect, so you're gonna need, here we use a wedge, here we use this one plus a little bit, and that's just to make it level. But, up close is gonna look different, but when you get farther away, all the lines are gonna look pretty nice. And then remember, you're still gonna mortar that in. If you're doing interior, veneer stone on the interior, what you're going to want to do is hang some cement board on the walls and then use some premium quality thinset. I like to use Latacrete, but you can use whatever brand you choose. Just make sure it's a pretty good quality thinset, because some of these stones are pretty damn heavy. You don't want them falling on your head. When you cut them on the wet saw, they're going to leave a very straight edge. So you want to take a hammer and just beat the edge a little bit so it looks like a natural stone without a cut. And that's going to leave you a straight edge, but also it's going to look like a natural stone. Once you're done installing, you're going to need to grout it. You can either do a sanded grout, or you can mix sand and Portland cement, white or gray. But if your grabs are not too big, you can always use grout. In order for you to not make a mess, you're going to want to use one of those, like it looks like a bakery cone. You fill it in with the mortar, and then you squeeze it in through the tip. You go line by line. You let it dry a little bit, and then you use a scrub or just your trowel or something, and just knock it off and smooth it out. One more thing to take into consideration when you're installing, you want to pay attention on all the sizes and make sure you distribute sizes all the way around. You don't want to have a bunch of big pieces here and a bunch of little pieces there. That's going to give you a look. There's really not a rule to do that. It's going to be up to you.